Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got a Sony remote and need to program it to a Spectrum cable box? We will show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Go to settings and select cable or satellite box. Set up to program Sony remote to a Spectrum box. Step 1. Access the TV settings menu. Make sure your Spectrum cable box is connected via HDMI and is turned on. Press the home button on your Sony remote to open the main menu. Navigate to settings and select it. Step 2. Set up the cable or satellite box control. Within the settings menu, choose Watching TV, select External inputs, choose cable or satellite box setup. Step 3. Configure the IR blaster if applicable. If your Sony TV model supports an IR blaster, you will be prompted to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect and position the IR blaster correctly. Step 4. Select your service provider. From the list of providers, select Spectrum. Follow any additional prompts which may include entering your zip code for local channel information. Once completed, you should be able to use your Sony remote to change channels and access features of the Spectrum cable box. Note, if Spectrum isn't listed, choose Setup by model number and manually enter the necessary details and follow on-screen instructions. You can find the model number at the back of the Spectrum box. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize the configuration. Test the remote to ensure it controls the cable box functions such as changing channels and accessing the guide. Important notes. Limited compatibility. Some STB models are not compatible with the cable or satellite box setup procedures, meaning certain functions may not work as expected. Control limitations. The cable or satellite box setup procedure allows control of the STB using your TV remote. However, the power button on the TV remote cannot be used to turn the STB on or off. To turn the STB on or off, use these steps. On the remote, press the input button and select your STB. Press the TV or 123 button, then select power. When controlling your STB, always point the remote control directly at the cable or satellite box. Response limitation. Depending on the STB model, some buttons may not respond. For example, functions requiring a long press or hold may not work. Instead, try pressing the CH plus or CH minus button repeatedly to change the channel. The REC key on screen will not work with STBs that lack a recording feature. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.